I place all the components that are needed in this activity, which are the Arduino, LCD, breadboard, potentiometer, and resistor. Then I'm going to connect the ground to ground on the breadboard and source to source in the breadboard. Then take a look. The terminal 1 of potentiometer is connected to the source of breadboard. I changed the color of jumper wire into red, and now so the wiper of potentiometer is connected to the ground. The ground of Arduino is connected to the ground of breadboard. And then the 5 volts of Arduino is connected to the positive line of breadboard. The middle pin of potentiometer is connected to the contrast of LCD. Also, the source of breadboard is connected to the power of LCD. I changed the color of wire. Then okay. Next is the ground of breadboard is connected to the ground of LCD. It's up to you if you want to change the color of your jumper wire. But for me, I want to change because it's easy to identify. And then the resistor is connected to the LCD anode of LCD. And now the ground is connected to the LCD cathode of LCD. I'm going to put a connection to D7. Later on, we will know what is the purpose of this connection. Okay, let's continue. I'll choose the color red of jumper wire. So another connections. So these connections are connected to the Arduino. So I'm making this so hard. Now I connected the ground of the breadboard to the LCD. LCD read or write. Okay. Another connection. Here, I'm going to start the connection from Arduino to these connections of breadboard that I connect a while ago. Okay. The D13 of Arduino is connected to this connection of LCD. So the resistor, the other side of resistor is connected to the positive of breadboard. Resistor is 220 ohms. This is the code. If you can see, the liquid crystal LCD starts in 12, 11, 5, 4, 3, 2. That's the connection that we can see in the Arduino. So, take a look to the code. Now, I'm going to simulate.